Hello everyone, welcome to ITLS Academy. Our lecture is on preparation of high molecular weight human DNA restriction fragments in agarose plugs. This is your mentor Rashmi Trivedi, your training coordinator. Purpose. Let's see the purpose of preparation of high molecular weight human DNA restriction fragments in agarose plug. To prepare intact mammalian chromosomal DNA for use in pulse field electrophoresis mapping experiments using rare cutting restriction enzymes. Time required will be 4 days and materials will be phenyl methyl sulfonyl fluoride, that is PMSF. Guys, we will use short names for the each of the chemical used in this experiment, and all of the abbreviations I have put a slide containing abbreviations, so you need not to worry at all. You will get all of the abbreviations on last slide. I will use short names for every that is the chemical used in this experiment. Let's come to the procedure for day 1 to 2. Place freshly grown mammalian cells in a 15 ml Falcon tube and centrifuge in a Beckman tabletop centrifuge at 1000 rpm for 15 minutes. Pour off supernatant and resuspend pellet in 10 ml of phosphate buffer saline. Centrifuge at 10,000 rpm for 15 minutes again, then resuspend in phosphate buffer saline to achieve a cell concentration of 1 to 2 into 10 to the power 7 cells per ml. That is, we will centrifuge it again and again, and after centrifuge we will get supernatant and pellet. We always use pellet and we discard supernatant. We can also put it for another experiment. The supernatant we can put it for another experiment, and also we can discard it as we don't have use of the supernatant in this particular experiment. So we'll take pellet and centrifuge, and this in this pellet we will again mix PBS and again centrifuge. We will repeat it as 2 to 3 times. Mix an equal volume of cells 1 to 2 ml with pre-melted 1% low gelling agarose which has been cooled to 45 degrees centigrade to 50 degrees centigrade using a Pasteur pipette. Immediately distribute the mixture to plug molds for the CHEF apparatus. We will also have the full form of CHEF on the last slide. I can tell you the full form of CHEF, that is contour clamped homogeneous electric field. Place the mold on ice for 15 minutes. Now remove plugs, then incubate in 6-well tissue culture plate in ESP solution at 50 degrees centigrade with gentle shaking for 2 days. Be sure to seal the 6-well plate securely with parafilm to prevent evaporation of the samples. Plugs can now be stored in ESP at 4 degrees centigrade, or one can proceed as follows. The procedure for day 3 is: for each digest condition, use approximately 1/4 of a plug, roughly the size that would fill a well on the CHEF-DR apparatus. Place each in 1 ml of 1 millimolar PMSF and dilute from 0.1 molar stock in TE, that is pH is at, and slowly rotate plates at room temperature for 2 hours. PMSF is extremely toxic to mucous membrane, so do not inhale or allow contact with skin. Now replace with new PMSF aliquot and repeat. Remove PMSF and wash in 1 ml of TE, that is pH again is 8, and this is washed for 3 times for 1 to 2 hours each by slow rotation at room temperature. Place each plug in 250 ml of appropriate restriction buffer 1x in Eppendorf tubes at room temperature for 30 minutes. Aspirate buffer carefully, then replace with fresh buffer and hold at room temperature for 30 minutes. Replace with 250 ml of fresh buffer, then add 25 mg of BSA to each tube. Add 20 units of enzyme per milligram of DNA to tubes containing the appropriate buffer, that is 1/4 of one plug should be approximately equal to 5 to 10 mg of DNA if the shell counts are correct. Incubate overnight at the approximate temperature. Additional enzymes can be added to the next morning and incubation carried out for 4 more hours if so is desired. The procedure for day 4 is: replace buffer with 1 ml of ES solution and incubate at 50 degrees centigrade for 2 hours with gentle shaking. Now replace ES with 250 ml ESP solution and incubate at 50 degrees centigrade for an additional 2 hours. Load the plugs in a gel poured for the CHEFDR apparatus. Run under conditions appropriate for the fragment size expected. Fragments in the 200 to 2200 kb size range can be effectively separated on a 1% agarose gel run at 200 volt with a switch time of 60 seconds for 15 hours and 90 seconds for 9 hours. Solution used will be ESP solution 0.5 molar EDTA having pH 9 to 9.5, 1% sodium lauryl sarcosine and 1 mg per ml proteinase K. PMSF stock will have 0.1 molar PMSF in 2-propanol. ES solution will have 0.5 molar EDTA, that is pH 9 to 9.5 and 1% sodium lauryl sarcosine. Here is the list of abbreviations used in this experiment. You can see those all. BSA means bovine serum albumin. CHEF, the full form is contour clamped homogeneous electric field. The full form of PBS is phosphate buffer saline, and PFGE, that is pulse field gel electrophoresis. PMSF have full form phenyl methyl sulfonyl fluoride, and the EDTA has full form ethyl methane acetic acid. Follow ITLS Academy on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and also subscribe ITLS Academy on YouTube. Thank you very much guys for watching this video.